Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best outdoor gear for plus size people that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the GREGORY PAX ARRIO 22 Plus Size Day Pack. I am a sentimental person. I cried when I first saw promotional photos and videos of fat and larger-bodied folks wearing hiking day packs and backpacking packs. When I first got into hiking and adventuring outdoors, there were no options for technical hiking day packs made specifically for me. The waist belts were often too small, and arm straps often cut into my shoulders and armpits. The bags themselves sat uncomfortably high along my broad back, making for uncomfortable carrying as the miles passed. The GREGORY PAX ARRIO, which I purchased this year within days of the bags being released, is part of the first ever plus-size hiking pack line. The bags, ranging from day packs to overnight backpacking packs, made for all bodies and identities, were made in partnership with Jenny Brusso of Unlikely Hikers. A bag should not feel radical, but in a world where I have never been able to clip the waist of a bag from any major outdoor brands, it changes everything. Moving on at number 4, we have the GREGORY PAX KALMIA 60 Backpacking Pack Plus Size. I cannot describe the feelings of excitement, validation, and affirmation that I felt when I first learned that GREGORY PAX would be developing plus-sized backpacking and day packs. These feelings did not dissipate as I walked the Skyline Trail, winding through open meadows and redwoods, my pack moving comfortably with me as I gained elevation. I tested the GREGORY KALMIA 60 in the SM, MD Plus size, though sizes range from XS, SM Plus to SM, MD Plus. According to GREGORY PAX website, this sizing is comparable to 2 to 6X in clothing sizes. The KALMIA is a woman's bag, so it's important to note that the hip belt sizing is not consistent between the men's and women's sizing, and make sure that you have measured your torso length. If you can physically try the pack on in store, I would recommend it. That way, you can make sure that you are wearing the correct size in your bag. At number 3, we have the Osprey ARIEL 55. While researching backpacks for longer trips, I wondered what was the point if nothing would fit me. Would I never get to go backpacking because my body was too big for all the bags? Plus-size folks shouldn't have to ask these questions, but this is the reality of the current outdoor gear market. When I walked into REI a few years ago, I was very lucky to receive help from someone who was non-judgmental and invested in helping me find something that worked for me. A 55L bag was the perfect size for me as someone who does multi-day journeys into the backcountry. It's not too big, not too small. I tried on several bags with waist belts that did not close around me, until I put on the Osprey ARIEL. The trick that got this pack to fit? Swapping out the women's hip belt for a men's hip belt from the men's version of this model, the Osprey Ether. I'm widest at my waist and hips, and men's sizing tends to be more inclusive than women's sizing. If you find that women's backpacking hip belts, or backpacking packs more generally, don't fit you, it might be helpful to go into a retailer and ask to try on a men's. At number 2, we have the Nathan VAPORAIRESS 3.07L. The Nathan VAPORAIRESS 3.07L is one of those gear items I did not know I needed, and now wish I had been using for years. It comes up to a size 1x3x. The range is one size, making Nathan the only brand that carries vests in women's plus sizes. The 1 to 3X size is a new addition for Nathan, expanding to plus-size runners who are often overlooked and not represented. I love that Nathan is making this vest for larger bodies, as we are often left out of running spaces and gear. And finally at number 1, we have the NEMO QUASAR 3D Insulated Air Sleeping Pad. The NEMO QUASAR is my new go-to sleeping pad for backpacking and camping. I spent over 2 weeks cumulatively on it this summer, backpacking in the Sawtooth National Forest, car camping in Grand Teton National Park, and car camping again in Stanislaus National Forest. sleeping both in the tent and directly on the ground.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.